Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you add a video introductions in your Upwork profile and how can you complete your profile 95% to 100%. So I have another video about how can you complete your profile Upwork profile 100%, so you can watch for complete 100%. So I have already completed 95% in this profile, and I will show you add a video, how can you add a video and get 5%. So this video actually regarding the video introduction. So video introductions can be two types or three types. You can add your video about your skill. You can go in front of the camera and you can talk about your skill, and you can also add your visual works by recording screen or animation. So that's type video you can add in your profile, and you can get 5% and can complete your profile 100%. So for this you have to go here, you see add a video, just click on that. Okay, and see this is the backend. So this is not public mode, and if you notice here video introduction, just click on it and add a video. So see what actually they're asking, add a video, paste the link to your YouTube video here. So make sure your video is in YouTube and have public mode, so that's how actually client can see. If your video in private mode, then they cannot watch. So when you upload your video in YouTube, make sure this is actually public mode. Here you see public and unlisted and private, so make sure your video is public mode. So I will get the shareable link. Okay, copy that and go your Upwork profile and paste here. Okay, and see what type of video is that. So there have 2-3 types. Me talking about my skill, that's mean you can go in front of camera and can talk about your skill. Another visual samples of my work. So my video is actually visual sample. This is pretty much about my video portfolio. Okay, then click on submit and see how actually this looking. So if you go public mode, then you can see more realistic. Okay, so this is the public mode, that's mean client see like this. Okay, so this is the video introductions. So this actually a project of mine I had completed last few months ago, and I just screen record from the project, and this is actually how look like. If you click here and see, this is a video portfolio of my work. So that's how you can actually add a video and can complete your profile 95% to 100%. And see, if we go here, you see right now actually 100%. So this is the way, guys, how can you add a video introductions and how can you complete your profile 100%. So if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.